There you go. My fish. What was it on?
Oh!
There you go. What was it on? It's my medium rod.
It looks great. Don't even look. Oh no, it's a huge red.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
a monster red, bro. Oh my god.
Holy.
It's gonna be around front.
Yep. Oh my goodness, man, that's a big one, dude. Only if it was in season. That is. Oh my god. Holy.
Get the head in there.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, there you go.
Oh, dude.
Bro.
What was that on? Squid? That is crazy. Nice catch, man. I wish I was feeling 100%. Just.
Dude, that is massive, bro.
Yeah. I might have to chum in a little bit. Ready? I can't see your face. There you go. Who's on the way of your face? There you go. Got it. Hopefully there's one good one in there. Good fish, man. Woo! Ready? Can't see your face. There you go.
Oh, got one on live there.
Another red?
I don't know, no. Made something run like that, you know? Maybe a shark. Color the shark looks like.
Okay. Oh man. Ooh, yeah. There you go. Pull it in, pull it in. That's not a shark?
No.
That's a good fish. Yeah, James. Oh, yeah. Is that netter?
It's probably red, you know.
Oh, okay.
Ain't no way you're gonna fight in this hard.
Yeah. Maybe a big mango. What is it? A red?
Yeah. Oh, let's see that. Yeah?
No. That would have been a good one. Damn it. That would have been a good one. That's a shark. That's a shark. Man, you need help with that? Can you help with that one? Yeah. All right, got off. Damn. Oh. Lane.
Damn.
Woo! There's a lane. This is yours now.
That was weird.
Yeah, this is a stud lane. There you go.
We're gonna make the move.
Sure.
We're gonna stay in the area. I'm not gonna put it down.
Oh, another lane. Another stud. There you go.
Cobia. Don't say shark, you know what it is.
I don't think it's a shark.
It's not.
It's too easy. As long as it doesn't get spooled. I mean, this was on top, actually.
And we're drifting back.
Yeah. Is it a... I don't know what it is.
Cobia. Huh?
Maybe? I don't know.
Laying on top. Dolphin.
It's not that big of a fish, though. See color. Cobe. Cobe?
That's a deeper cobia. Shark. Shark.
Ah, shark.
What kind of
It
shark?
was brown.
Hmm?
It was brown. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Ready? Man, that looked like a cobia.
There you go.
Oh, it's a running. It's a runner. I think it's a shark though. Yep, got off.
Oh, I got it.
Oh yeah. There you go. Looking red. What's it feel like today?
Probably another one of those sharks.
No. We gotta figure out what that is.
It's on top of the water like a shark, you know?
Yeah.
We got wore out on the first run.
Let me know when you're ready. Yeah, that's pretty big. That's bigger than, it's kind of big for the boat. Just bring it right up. There you go. Nice. Oh, you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I lost a good one. Ah.
Guess it's time to go to our short. Oh my gosh.
Every time. Yeah. No struggle. Yep, a lot of grunts.
Good fish.
Yeah, it could be, it might be a red. Yep. Let's see what you look like. Red? Yep. Damn. Oh, thank you. Whoa, that's a big grunt. If it's not a red, it's a decent. I don't know. Nope, got lighter. Whoa! What the hell? Oh, Key West grunt. Yeah. Sharked. Sharked, sharked, sharked.
Ooh. That's got some bites in it.
Yeah. Come on, good fish.
Oh, head shape. Nothing out of this. He's sounding good.
Another red.
Look at that. Oh my god. That was my
Oh, that's not a shark.
I figured out how to target them.
That is
cobia.
Oh, cobia, cobia.
Yeah, it's a cobia.
Sweet. Oh, it's not?
You didn't get that.
Yeah. Look pretty big though. So Copia's still here, huh?
Dude, we figured it out.
You did. Nice. I don't know, man. Really? That looks big. Still worth measuring.
You need to come around one more time. Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit.
They were cobia. That's what I said. They look just like they were on the top.
Yeah, you did say that, man.
We should grow a couple inches while he's down there.
Yeah. That's crazy. That's crazy. Like literally.
Oh, you FG knot. And he took my jig.
Jeez. Damn. Well, you know they're down there.
You're gonna call more fish, I'm sure.
Oh, for sure. Yep. What the hell? Small Cobe. No, Remora? Remora.